Example 2 is splitting of energy level n equal to 2 of a hydrogen atom when placed in a strong magnetic field. For first excited state n equal to 2, n equal to 2 means degeneracy should be 8. We have 8 degenerate levels. Again, the levels are designated on the basis of N, L, ML and MS. So we have N is equal to 2. For L we have two options, 1 and 0. So we write it for 0. If L is 0, ML should be also 0 and MS is always plus minus half. Here we have N 2. If n equal to 2, L is 1 and 0. For 0, MS is also 0. But for L equal to 1, MS should have 3 values, 0, minus 1 and 1. These are the values of MS. So for 0, 0 plus minus half. For 1, we choose value of ML 0 and MS is again plus minus half. 2, 1. Now we choose the value of ML plus minus 1 and MS again plus minus half. Now you can see we have 8 degenerate levels, 2 to 4, here we have 4 levels, 2 due to plus minus 1 and 2 due to plus minus half. So we have 8 levels. Now you have to consider the splitting of these 8 levels in the presence of magnetic field. We consider separately all these levels and then we will show this here the splitting. Here the splitting only depend on value of MS as ML is 0. ML is 0. So for plus half we have E to 0 plus, and for minus half minus mu b into p. For the splitting of this level we have minus mu b and here we have E2 naught plus mu b, and the levels are, this level is splitted as this manner. Now we will consider second level. For second level 210 plus minus half, you can see ML is again 0. So the splitting only depend on the value of MS and we have the same results. For plus half we have E2 naught plus mu b into b, and for minus, when MS equal to minus half we have E 2 naught minus mu b into b. So these two levels have the same energy levels according to these. So I can show you 2, 1, 0 plus half have the same energy E2 naught plus mu b into b, and 2, 1, 0 minus half will observe the same splitting. Now we have to consider these four levels. Now this level is split into these two levels. Here we have different values of ms. Again, this is split, can be split in two levels, and this can be split in two levels. So first consider the value splitting according to plus half value. It will be equal to plus ml equal to 1 plus 2 into half. We have 2. For plus half we have 2 mu b, and for minus half we have as 1 minus 2 into half, 1 minus 1 0, so we have this. Okay, this is for 2 1 1 minus half. So now plot these two values. This is E2 naught, and the level is 2 1 1 minus half, and for the level of 2 1 1 plus half we have E2 naught plus 2 mu b into b. Now these two levels are remaining. For plus half we have plus ml is minus 1 plus 2 into half, 1 minus, this goes to 0, and we have only E2 naught. So plus half we have E2 naught, and for minus half we have minus 2. So now we plot in the figure. This level is E minus 2b mu b, and the level is 2 1 minus 1 minus half. Here E2 naught again have its level 2 1 minus 1 and plus half. So this is how the splitting of energy level n equal to 2 of a hydrogen atom when placed in strong field can be described or can be happen. I hope you have understand this problem. You can see here we have, before applying the magnetic field we have a degenerate level, but when magnetic field applied we have 1 2 3 4 5 non-degenerate levels, but the levels having the same value of ml and ms are still degenerate. Here you can see the levels having the same value of ms and ms are degenerate. After splitting, they will also uh, experience the same degeneracy. Before magnetic field, we have 8 level. When magnetic field is applied, strong magnetic field is applied, the 8 levels split into 5 levels, where the 3 levels are gone. They are still degenerate with other levels.